how to fix Slack workspace access removed. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is check your email. Go back and simply open your email, and in here what you're going to do is look for the notification from a Workspace admin regarding your account status. So in here, if you do find that email, then you can open it and see all of the reasons that you've been kicked out or something like that if you cannot find your workspace, right? So after doing that, another thing that you can do is contact your workspace owner. Reach out directly to the workspace admin or owner to request an re-invitation or role adjustment. I'm pretty sure that they will be able to resend you the link and get you back to your Slack workspace. So when you do personally contact them, if they have removed you, then you would also know the reason why they did it. So another thing to do is to verify your enterprise SSO. If the company uses Okta or Azure AD, confirm your corporate account is active within the IT department. And lastly, try to contact your Slack support if removal appears to be system errors across all workspace. Then also, like I said, try to contact your Slack support. I'm pretty sure they will be able to help you out.